I've been doing DUIs for over 30 years, folks, defending these things, and it's getting worse. And we have two new proposals in our legislature that are really unheard of in my 30 plus years of doing this. And here's what these new proposals are, right? They're ridiculous, but I'm just going to say it. Number one, right now in Florida, if you refuse to blow into that breathalyzer the first time, okay? In other words, I want to paint the scenario for you. The officer has determined that he or she has probable cause to arrest you on DUI. They put you in handcuffs. You go into the back of a police car. The shiny red lights are on. You get transported to jail. On the way to jail, you're already going for DUI. They stop where you blow into that machine. Now, right now, you have the right to refuse to blow into that machine. They're 18-year-old machines that they won't even let us look into these dumb things. So it's reasonable to not blow into these machines. And you're already arrested, and they already think that you're guilty of driving under the influence. They just want more evidence against you. And this is the United States. This is Florida. You don't have to give them more evidence. Like, dude, you already have me in handcuffs. I'm in the back of a cop car. Now you want more evidence? Why do you want more evidence? I thought you just put me in handcuffs because you thought I was driving under the influence. Now you want more and more and more? I'm refusing that. No, I want my lawyer. That's the American way. This new law says that is a crime. The first time you refuse is going to be a misdemeanor of the second degree if they get away with this new Senate Bill 232. So I don't like Senate Bill 232. You should not be punished for being in handcuffs and getting transported to the jail. And once you get there, oh no, you got to do more work. You got to blow into machines. You got to pee into a cup. No, you shouldn't have to. You should be able to refuse that. Now they want to make it a crime to refuse that. By the way, I don't think there are many, if any, states in the whole United States that do that sort of thing to innocent people. You are in handcuffs, but you are presumed innocent until you actually go to court, right? And you're found guilty of something. So, that new bill 232, horrible. Second bad idea is Senate Bill 260. This is a bad idea because if you refuse to blow, guess what they want to do? They want to start the punishment right then and there. They want to force you to put a $1,500 ignition interlock device installed into your car if you refuse to blow into the breathalyzer. That means, again, you are presumed innocent. You have not gone to court. You haven't even hired an attorney yet. Nothing has been determined other than that old document that says you're presumed innocent. Remember that? Throw that out the window because we want to start punishing you under Senate Bill 260. Let's punish you right now just by being arrested. Let's give you this little device in your car. And by the way, folks, driving under the influence is a crime of opinion, right? When you are in handcuffs, that officer's opinion is that you are driving under the influence. That is not fact. It is opinion. That is not scientific fact. That is opinion. And that still has to go to court, still has to be litigated by folks like me. Not under Senate Bill 260. Let's just throw out some of this whole, why are we messing around with judges and prosecutors? Let's start the punishment right now. If they refuse to blow, let's throw on an intoxilizer ignition interlock device. I know it costs a fortune, but why not? And while we're at it, let me just explain. Ignition interlock devices aren't a bad thing. They come with punishment. If you actually go to court and you are convicted of DUI and you blew over a 1.5, that's your punishment. The judge tells you you're guilty. Go put this device on your car. I'm fine with that. And if you have a second DUI, the judge says you're guilty of second DUI. Go put this device on your car. I'm fine with that. But now you got an officer's opinion, roadside, oh, you might be driving under the influence. And just based on those handcuffs, we're going to start the punishment now. You got to go get this machine connected to your car. These aren't even the safest machines. They shut off at times. It's a nightmare for some people. Folks, Senate Bill 232, Senate Bill 260, these things should not go through. They need to not go through. I hope they don't, but that's my update.